Salam and greetings to all. This is the press release by the Free Aceh movement, read by Bakhtiar Abdullah, spokesperson of GAM. The undeclared end of war between Holland and Aceh. The Kingdom of Aceh on the northern tip of Sumatra has always been a very strong and influential sultanate in Southeast Asia since the world has known Aceh. The Golden Peak of Aceh was under the rule of Sultan Iskandar Muda in the 17th century, where the Kingdom of Aceh expanded its influence almost throughout the whole of Southeast Asia. Aceh had strong diplomatic and trading relations with the international world, including the Kingdom of Holland, way before the bloody colonial war broke out between the two nations. The Sultan of Aceh sent an Achenese ambassador, Tuanku Abdul Hamid, who died in Holland and was begraved at the church premise in Middlesbrough in the Netherlands. On 26 March 1873, the Kingdom of Holland officially declared war upon the Kingdom of Aceh. The aftermath of this declaration was widely reported around the globe by international newspapers such as the London Times, the New York Times, and others, and even created debates in the government parliaments both in Holland and Great Britain that had diplomatic relations and treaties with the Sultan of Aceh. Today, after 138 years, the Free Aceh movement and the loyal Achenese community commemorate this historic and glamorous day. The declaration of war is an official recognition of sovereignty and independence of Aceh. It was on this legal basis that GAM started their liberation struggle on the 4th of December 1976, whereby more than 30,000 innocent Achenese and some 200,000 died during the tsunami. In the process, GAM and the Achenese have always maintained our commitment until today. The catastrophe was a catalyst that started the peace talks between GAM and the government of Indonesia that ended the 30 years armed conflict with the signing of the peace accord, the Memorandum of Understanding signed on 15th August 2005 in Helsinki, Finland. Since then, GAM has adhered and respect the MOU, but unfortunately, most of the points agreed have not been fully implemented, while some crucial points are still on paper. In fact, new regulations have been passed to decapitate the MOU. Many Achenese are losing their patience and confidence of the peace process. Basically, the main issue of conflict in Aceh is political. That is, a decolonization process that has never been done, and the status of Aceh that was never part of the Netherlands is Indies. It is also the struggle for the right of self-determination of a decolonized people under international law. We strongly believe and call upon the Kingdom of Netherlands and with the support of the international community to sign an end to the declaration of war upon Aceh, as has been practiced in many other parts of the world after the Second World War. Thus, by so doing, eternal peace and stability is maintained in Aceh and the region of Southeast Asia. Thank you.